மடியே என் தாய் மடியே அடியே நீ எமக்கு தாய் மடியே கடலே கடலே நீ எம் உடலே உடலே என் தாய் மடியே என் தாய் மடியே அடியே நீ எமக்கு தாய் மடியே
மணலே மணலே கடலோர மணலே கடல் கைவிரல் பிடித்து ஓடும் சிறு அலையே மணலே மணலே கடலோர மணலே கடல் கைவிரல் பிடித்து ஓடும் சிறு அலையே
கடலே கடலே நீ எம் உடலே
The present phase of struggle that stays strong even after 419 days has the determination and commitment of the people of Idindikarai who have been spearheading the people's movement against nuclear energy to close the Kudamkulam nuclear power plant.
எம்முடல் மொத்தம் நீ கடலே கடலே நீ எம்முடலே உடலே எம் தாய் மடியே எம் தாய் மடியே அடியே நீ எமக்கு தாய் மடியே.
On October 8, 2012, the people of the surrounding villages, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin and Kanyakumari, the three districts of Tamil Nadu affected by the Kudamkulam nuclear power project, decide to siege the plant through the sea.
ஆதனைக்கும் முன் குளிரலை வாழ்வில் உழக்கும் எரிமலையாகுமோ
ஆனனைக்கும் முன் குளிரலை வாழ்வை முடக்கும் எரிமலையாகுமோ
இதயம் துடிக்குதே பதக்குதே துயிரலை கரைய நனைக்குதே
எம் இதயம் துடிக்குதே பதைக்குதே துயிரலை கரைய நனைக்குதே
உயிரே வந்தவா அழைக்குதே உயிரே வந்தவா அழைக்குதே கடலே 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 உடலே எம் தாய் மடியே எம் தாய் மடியே அடியே நீ எமக்கு தாய் மடியே மலை வீசி மீன்கள் அவித்து தின்போமா இல்லை உண்ணும் மீன்களை எம்மை தின்னுமா
மலை வீசி மீன்கள் அவித்து தின்போமா இல்லை உண்ணும் மீன்களை எம்மை தின்னுமா.
The siege was made unique by the hundreds of women and children who gathered on the shore and also at the protest venue in the village Idindikarai, shouting slogans and expressing their solidarity with the men in the sea.
எம் கருப்பைகள் தூர்ந்து போனால் என்னாகும் எம் கருப்பைகள் தூர்ந்து போனால் கனவு போகும் எம் கருப்பைகள் தூர்ந்து போகும் கனவு போகும்.
Laden over 1,000 boats, the real children of the sea came together with 4 basic demands. Abandon the Kudamkulam nuclear project. Release our comrades from the prison. Withdraw the police from the area. Withdraw all cases registered against the peaceful protesters.
எம் குழந்தைகள் ஊர்ந்து போனால் என்னாகும் எம் குழந்தைகள் ஊர்ந்து போனால் மனம் வேகும் எம் குழந்தைகள் ஊர்ந்து போகும் கொடுமை போதும்.
Melrit, the firebrand leader from Idindikarai, and McGlean from Valley Village, Trivandrum, represented the women in the boat on October 8th. For Melrit, the sea is like her mother's lap, where she finds solace and hope.
நீரில் பொசுங்கி போனால் என்னாவோ எம் நுரையீரல் பொசுங்கி போனால் இடமாவும் எம் நுரையீரல் பொசுங்கி போகும் உலைகள் போகும்.
There is a massive human rights violation here. Although people have been demanding basic information about the nuclear power project, the government is still resisting. For example, the site evaluation report and the safety analysis reports have not been shared with the people even after the Central Information Commission has given a clear directive to the Department of Atomic Energy. So people's right to know has been violated, and people's right to organize, assemble and express their concerns have been violated. People's right to struggle, constitutionally guaranteed rights. People try to express their concerns, and those rights are being violated by imposing false cases on them, cases such as sedition, waging war on the state, and such severe cases are imposed on people, and they are being intimidated. And these are all gross violations of human rights. The police abuse the people with all kinds of abusive behavior, words, violence, breach of their homes, destroying their properties, and all of these things happen. And those who are taken to prison, imprisoned and taken to prisons, are not allowed to use bathroom for more than 36 hours. So these are all gross violations of human rights. Such things should not happen in a democracy.
சிசுக்கள் சாம்பல் தின்றால் என்னாகும் எம் சிசுக்கள் சாம்பல் தின்றால் இனம் தீரும் எம் சிசுக்கள் சாம்பல் தின்னும் சாட்சி வேணா.
The event of October 8th shows again and again that the message of peace and passive resistance that the People's Movement Against Nuclear Energy has been putting across for years has become stronger and bolder.
கையை கல்லறையாக்கும் சதி என்ன குறும்பையை உருக்கலைக்கும் விதி என்ன சிறுபையை மறந்து போகும் மதி என்ன கரும்பையை கல்லறையாக்கும் சதி என்ன குறும்பையை உருக்கலைக்கும் விதி என்ன சிறுபையை மறந்து போகும் மதி என்ன.
Can their voices of reason and goodwill be suppressed? Can the struggle that surpasses barricades and boundaries be suppressed by the law and order machinery? Idindikare has proven again that it cannot be, as their voice is for the true kind of justice and democracy.
எம்மிடம் வேறறுக்கும் விஷக்குளமோ கூடம் குளம் எம் மூலம் வாழ்வானால் ஏது குலமோ மனித குலம் மண் விஞ்சும் சாம்பல்தான் மனித குலமோ முடிவெடுப்போம் முடிவெடுப்போம் முடிவெடுப்போம்.
ஒவ்வொரு படகிலும் 10 பேர் வைத்து பார்த்தால் கூட
Considering the area, even if there were 10 people in each boat, today at least about 20 to 25,000 people from just 3 districts alone have gathered to make this protest a grand success. Even though there are 13 coastal districts in Tamil Nadu, both the state and central government knows it is just 3 coastal districts, especially Kanyakumari and Tirunelveli, that have taken part so far. In this scenario, the central and state government are also aware that what will happen if all the 13 districts join the protest. Our people are not violent. Our people are not emotional people. For 420 days, we have been following a peaceful and non-violent movement. which has caused a shame on the minds of these fascist Congress forces that killed Gandhiji. This non-violent movement has therefore held high the values and ahimsa principles of Gandhiji. We gave a word to the authorities that our people are proud, valiant and respectful followers of Gandhiji. When we held the siege on the shore in September 9, our people gave water to the sick policemen on the spot. They were talking with the authorities in a friendly manner. Our people are well-mannered people who didn't utter a bad word against the authorities or insult or have a blame game of any sort. But the protests became violent only after the police used force against them on September 10. So, we request the authorities to treat them with dignity and respect, just as we have treated them with dignity and respect. We gave them a promise that our protest will be a peaceful one, but definitely a successful one. I am telling this with great joy and pride that our people took part in the protest without any bar of caste, creed and class. Just like the children of one mother, they all participated in this protest from morning 8 to evening 4 without any untoward incidents. This has increased our pride and respect among the authorities in this regard. This is our protest. I think at least now the state and central governments should open their eyes. They should not dream to make the world dark by closing their own eyes. The Tamils have started to protest. To support the Tamils, the Malayalis have started to protest. To support the Tamils and Malayalis, the Indians have started to protest. If one can spend 1,800 crores in 3 years to cure a lady, we can easily trash 14,000 crores to the ocean. There is nothing wrong in it. Just because one is the son-in-law of Sonia Gandhi, just because one is married to Sonia Gandhi's daughter, if one can accumulate assets of 500 crores in 32 places of the country, then we can easily close the nuclear plant. We are not asking to demolish it into the sea. We are just requesting not to fill nuclear energy in it. If you fill it with nuclear power and run it even for a day, we may have to stop its functioning. The 14,000 crores you spend on it will go utterly waste without a bit of use. So please unfill the nuclear power if you have filled it. But we know that you haven't filled it yet. Even Chief of Nuclear Energy Department is admitting it. The case is going on at the Supreme Court and the Chief himself is saying it will take at least 3 to 4 months. So we know that you haven't started it. If you haven't filled it yet, please don't fill it. If you have filled it already, please empty it at the earliest. After emptying it, let's declare it as an alternative electric power plant and we can get back to our daily life. Even you can tie yourself to your government and live a prosperous life of killings and looting people. But if you think that we, the people here, will go on protesting for 420 days, 520 days like this, you are mistaken. We will not only close the plant, but we will also close down your political parties too. We will close down your governments too. We will trash you into the sea. So whoever you are, we know that you get these news. Whichever party you belong to, in whichever position you are, however corrupt you are, how much ever money you have looted, we are telling you to respect the feelings and patience of our people. There is a limit to our patience too, but don't force us to cross it. At least, from now on, please value our sentiments. If you have plans to control us with your forces, then your impotency will come out in the open. When 580 people got killed, the Navy forces didn't even come this side. But when we are doing a peaceful protest, all forces are coming to prevent it. And this exactly is the state of our government and system. If so, we may have to change the system too. So please think, do, and take a call whether you want to close down the plant alone or you want to close down your government too. It is for you to decide the future.
அடியே நீ எமக்குதான்